So why is staying connected so important through your recovery? Well, no matter how self-sufficient you might believe you are, positive relationships that are supportive and caring are good for our health and recovery, both in your personal life as well as in the workplace. The people closest to you can be a really great source of support for your recovery. Plus, positive relationships you have at work can be valuable connections to maintain because they can support your recovery too. Although it can often be challenging to reach out to others, it's important to let people know how they can help you and that you are grateful for their support. This will help them realize and appreciate how their role is important for your recovery to actively support you. So some tips. Be proactive in creating opportunities to connect with people. Even if you just start with something small, reach out in a way that feels workable for your stage of recovery. The benefit of little connections will add up. When you're in interactions and activities with others, be there, be really there. Be present instead of falling victim to distractions. Be present and actively share and listen. These are great skills for feeling connected with others and exploring the support that might be helpful for your headspace and recovery process. Share that you care about and appreciate people, from friendships to kindness and love. This gratitude will have a powerful effect not only on you but on them as well, and it goes both ways. So this really is a win-win. You and others will benefit from positive and healthy neurochemicals like oxytocin and more. A bonus tip, if there's a person or animal in your life that is appropriate to hug, physical contact, and in particular hugs, will provide a really positive boost for your mind and body, triggering the release of hormones that prime our happiness, relaxation, elevate our mood, and lower depression. You don't have to do this on your own, so please be mindful of staying connected through your recovery.